In this video from Device Doctor, we'll show you how to clean the Zebra P430i printer. It's a simple and easy process, so make sure to watch until the end to do it perfectly.
If you're having trouble with your printer, you can fix it for free on your own. If you have any technical questions or aren't sure which printer to buy, just ask us for expert advice and free support.
When you turn on the printer, you might see a clean printer error on the screen. To solve this issue, press and hold the Zebra OK button for 3 seconds. After holding the Zebra OK button for 3 seconds, you will see a message on the screen to remove the ribbon. Go ahead and remove the ribbons. After removing the ribbon, place a PVC card into the printer tray and press the Zebra button once. Now, the printer is ready to be cleaned with the cleaning kit. Please note, you will need to purchase the cleaning kit for this device. Now, place the small cleaning card in the correct position in the card tray. The printer will pull it in and begin the cleaning process. It will take about 2 to 3 minutes. Now, check if the small cleaning card has cleaned the device properly. Now, place the long cleaning card in the correct position. First, press the Zebra button once, then quickly place the cleaning card. This process will take 2 to 3 minutes. Make sure the printer doesn't turn off during this time. After the long cleaning card is finished, you'll see that it's dirty, showing that the printer has been cleaned. Now the printer will ask you to insert the ribbon back into the device. Press the button once to confirm. You'll see that the cleaning process has been completed successfully, and now the screen shows the word Ready. Don't forget to like and subscribe.